Hey everyone, welcome back to Bahawalpur TV. If you're serious about taking your crypto trading business to the next level, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful strategies to help you scale up and maximize profits while managing risks. Whether you're a solo trader or running a trading firm, these tips will give you the edge you need in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. Let's get started. One of the best ways to scale your trading business is by leveraging automated trading bots. Trading manually has limits, but bots can execute trades 24/7 without emotional interference. They analyze market trends and execute trades instantly, eliminate emotional decision-making, allow you to trade multiple pairs simultaneously, and provide backtesting for refining strategies. Some of the best trading bots to consider are 3 for smart trading and automation, Pionex, which offers built-in bots with no extra fees, Bitsgap for arbitrage trading and grid strategies, and custom-built bots using Binance API if you have coding skills. To get started, research different bots, backtest strategies with a demo account, and gradually integrate automation into your trading workflow. Avoid over-reliance on bots without manual oversight to minimize unexpected losses. Successful traders don't rely on a single strategy. Diversification helps mitigate risks and ensures profit potential in various market conditions. Some top trading strategies to scale up include spot trading for long-term gains, futures and margin trading for profiting from price movements with leverage, arbitrage trading to exploit price differences across exchanges, market making by providing liquidity and earning from bid-ask spreads, and copy trading by replicating trades from successful traders on platforms like eToro. To implement these effectively, start by mastering one strategy before diversifying. Use risk-reward ratios, manage leverage wisely, and track market conditions to adapt strategies as needed. If you want to scale, don't limit yourself to one exchange. Trading on multiple platforms improves liquidity, opens up arbitrage opportunities, and gives access to exclusive token offerings. Some of the best crypto exchanges for pro traders include Binance for high liquidity and a variety of trading pairs, Coinbase Pro as a trusted platform with strong regulatory compliance, Bybit for derivatives and futures trading, FTX, if operational, offering advanced trading tools and lower fees, and KuCoin, which supports lesser-known altcoins with great potential. A pro tip is to use API integrations and trading terminals like Coinigy or Quadancy to manage multiple exchange accounts from a single dashboard. Before expanding, ensure you understand exchange-specific fees, security measures, and withdrawal processes to avoid unexpected hurdles. As you scale, risk management becomes more critical. Here's how you can protect your assets and minimize losses. Implement security measures such as using cold wallets for long-term asset storage, Ledger, Trezor, enabling multi-signature authentication for transactions, using secure trading platforms with strong reputations, and regularly updating passwords while enabling 2FA, two-factor authentication. Hedging strategies for risk management include options trading to hedge against market downturns, stop-loss orders that automatically sell if prices drop beyond a set limit, converting profits into stable assets like USDT or USDC to lock in gains, and diversifying your portfolio to avoid putting all funds in one asset or strategy. The key is to always have an exit plan. Review your risk exposure regularly, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Data-driven decisions separate successful traders from the rest. With AI and analytics, you can track trends, predict market movements, and refine strategies. Some of the best AI and data tools for crypto trading include TradingView for advanced charting and indicators for technical analysis, Glassnode for on-chain data insights to track market sentiment, Sentiment for AI-based analytics and trading signals, and CryptoQuant, which provides real-time market intelligence. AI helps traders scale by predicting market trends using machine learning, analyzing historical data for better trade execution, identifying patterns that humans may miss, and automating risk management based on predictive models. To apply AI effectively, start by analyzing historical trade data, setting up alerts for market trends, and integrating AI-backed signals into your decision-making process, rather than blindly following them. Scaling up a crypto trading business requires automation, diversification, market expansion, risk management, and data-driven strategies. By implementing these 5 tips, you can grow your trading business, increase profits, and stay ahead in the competitive crypto market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments. Which strategy do you plan to implement first? Also, share your experiences and any other pro tips in the comments. Happy trading!